Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising. Let's see the energies coming to you ngayong July 16 to 31, second half ng July. This is a general reading. Pwede ka makarelate, pwede hindi. Just take what resonates. Another reminder, I will not message you or follow you para mag-offer ng services. So mag-ingat kayo sa mga fake accounts and scammers. Kung gusto nyo ng private reading, just go to my website, mysticqueenph.com, or you can book for a private reading directly sa aking calendar. Link on the description or comment section. Okay, let's see. What's the energy, Capricorn? This is for July 16 to 31. July 16 to 31. Okay. Capricorn, protection. So, Capricorn, you need to protect your energies. Pwede may mga psychic attacks na being given sa inyo. You have self-love. Kasi alam nyo, Capricorn, some of you focused on taking care of the needs of other people, no? But this time, you need to protect your energies na kumbaga, hindi laging bigay ng bigay. You also have to, meron ka rin ititira para sa sarili mo. That's part of you loving yourself. Yes. Practicing self-love and self-care. And also, marami mga protection rituals that you can do. Number one is prayer, but also, cleansing, releasing those nega energies. Okay? And then your overall energy is the Six of Pentacles. Wow. Six of Pentacles is stability in your finances. This is balance. So you're able to receive and give. Importante rin kasi na hindi lang ikaw yung nag-aalaga ng iba, ikaw rin, inaalagaan ka rin, or inaalagaan mo yung sarili mo. Some of you, pwedeng you will receive a certain amount of money, or parang tulong from someone, or may babalik na pera sa'yo, or may ibibigay sa'yo na talagang dinideserve mo. So, pwede kung meron nagkakautang sa'yo, babayaran ka, or meron kang matatanggap na something valuable, doesn't have to be money, pwedeng may magbibigay sa'yo isang sakong bigas, so kaya merong magbibigay sa'yo ng sala set. Yung mga ganun. Something valuable. Okay, so your challenge is the Ten of Swords. Okay, so some of you pwedeng literal maraming naka-experience ng body pain. Yung parang may tumutusok-tusok sa likod nyo, pero tinitiis nyo lang. Okay? So, Capricorn, hindi sa lahat ng panahon ay titiisin kung anong masakit. Kung kailangan magpa-check up, magpa-check up. And also, maging maingat din sa mga taong pinakikisalamuhaan ninyo kasi hindi lahat yan ay mapagkakatiwalaan or part of the protection na kailangan mo, lalo na kung ikaw ay laging madalas na maraming nakakausap na tao. Pag uwi mo, mag-lens ka talaga. Asin. Asin, tunawin mo siya sa tubig na ibubuhos mo sa katawan mo. Now, your opportunity, you have the moon. This is your instinct and intuition. You have the opportunity to see through things, to see through people. Kumbaga, you will see their intentions. Kaya, ang isa rin sa challenge sa inyo, you may experience some betrayals or disappointments sa mga taong inaakala nyo na tapat sa inyo or merong loyalty sa inyo. This can apply sa isang kaibigan, sa romantic partner, sa family, whatever the case may be, but at least you have the opportunity to know kung sino talaga yung mga din-deserve ng pagmamahal nyo, deserving ng inyong pag-aalaga. Now, the blessing is the Ace of Pentacles. So as a blessing, I see this as a new opportunity for career, for business, new source of income that will definitely bring stability in your life. Moving forward, no? Ito yung kailangan yung proteksyonan. And kung may mga plano kayo, may mga ideas kayo. You have to protect your plans, your ideas. Make sure walang nakakaalam. Kung meron mang makakaalam, just make sure na mapagkakatiwalaan mo to. But whatever this is related sa projects mo, business, trabaho, na magsisimula, just keep it to yourself hanggat hindi pa siya na ilo-launch or hindi pa siya official. Okay? That's your way of protecting your privacy. Okay. Balance spirituality and practicality, yes. So, ang pinaka, nito, example is, hindi porket nagdadasal ka, yung dinadasal mo ay matutupad. Kailangan, sasamahan mo talaga siya ng action. Kikilos ka. So, that's the practical side. The spiritual side is you praying for what you want, manifesting it, and the practical side is taking action. Breathe through the tension. Full Moon in Scorpio. I also see na you may experience some tension sa mga taong, nakakasalamuha mo, or even inner tension to, yung tipong, can be related sa health mo, or sa iyong mga iniisip, sa thoughts, no? Sa mga naisip mo. Pwedeng may tension dyan, may mga worries, merong mga parang nag-aaway-away sa isip mo kung ano ba yung dapat mong gawin. You need to calm your nerves, no? Kalmahan mo. Kasi hindi ka rin makakapag-isip ng maayos kung natataranta. Oo. You have to find your center first. Para kung meron ka mang decision making na gagawin, makakapag-isip ka ng maayos. Okay, so Capricorn, you have Gemini, diba? Mercury. Mercury is the planet of communication. You have Gemini energy here in the 5th house. Marami ka kasing ideas, no? Maraming kumikiliti sa isip mo na gusto mong gawin at subukan. Yun nga lang, parang feeling mo napipigilan ka or may mga limitations sa paligid mo. Yun yung kailangan mong i-work out, okay? And I think, ang isa sa pumipigil rin sa'yo is yung sarili mo. Minsan iniisip mo na, baka hindi mo kaya because of the other factors like yung environment mo, minsan kulang sa support. But, kung gusto mo talaga na gawin yan, ano man yung ideas mo, do it. Kung gusto mo, gagawin mo. Okay? You have to focus on yourself first. Sa sarili mo muna. Kasi kung ikaw mismo, all over the place, magulo yung isip mo, wala ka masisimulan. So, you have to nourish yourself first, to take care of yourself first. That is self-love. And then, you will be rewarded. You have Peihu. Peihu is wealth, prosperity, generosity. Diba? So, yung mga efforts mo, ito ay magbubunga. Yes. Yung mga ideas mo na yan, if you're going to take action and make things happen for yourself, then definitely you will see wonderful results. Okay? So, that is your reading, Capricorn. Thank you so much. See you again.